Okay, we are here in Norway crossing. We're going to Bergen. We here. Let's go. It's the melting ice from top of the mountain. It's become spring water. Very good. Yeah, it's okay, no? Right? Yeah, they call that spring water, man. Because in my country, nothing like this, man. You have me, no. See? Oh.
But you can drink the water, it's very clear.
Of course, no? Fresh.
Yeah.
That is a real thing. Okay?
Norway.
Norway. Have a nice day on board. See? Enjoy.